Welcome back, students. In today's lecture, I am going to explain the Archimedes principle. First, you have to understand the Archimedes principle, what Archimedes said. When you are measuring any device, suppose you are measuring this block in air, we assume, neglecting the air resistance, we assume that the weight of this block is the actual weight in air. But when we will place it in any liquid, then the liquid pushes it in the upward direction. You have experienced this in many situations, like when you try to immerse the empty bottle in water or mug in the bucket. What happens? You feel the upward pressure. When an empty can is immersed in the liquid, what you feel? You feel the upward pressure. That upward pressure is known as the thrust, and that is applied by the liquid in the upward direction. Then Archimedes told that when you are trying to immerse any solid in a liquid, what happens? That solid displaces the water equal to its weight. The weight of the solid is equal to the volume of the liquid displaced by that solid. That is the Archimedes principle in actual. Or you can say, when you measure the weight of this block in air and then you measure the weight of this block in liquid, then the difference in the weight gives you the upward thrust, because there is loss in the weight of the body, and thus that loss in weight is equal to the upward thrust applied by the liquid. So let us understand this with the help of an activity. The apparatus required is the one cuboidal body or any other shaped body you may take, the measuring cylinder for measuring the water, then the thread for hanging the body freely, the stand at which the spring balance is attached, and to measure the weight, spring balance is required. First, you will calculate the weight in air by hanging the body on the spring balance. You will hang the spring balance on the stand, and then you will hang this body on the spring balance, and you will measure the weight of this body in air. And we have measured this weight, and you can see the weight of this object is 64 gram, because after 60 it is at the second division and the least count of this spring balance is 2. So the weight of this object on the spring balance is 64. So you will write the weight of this object is 64 gram. Then you will calculate you will put this object in the liquid, and you will find the change in the weight of the object. And when you will differentiate, you will take the difference of these two. This will give you the loss in weight. And when we will place this block in water, what will happen? It will displace the water equal to its weight, and that displaced water should be equal to the loss in weight. Let us see with the help of activity. For proving Archimedes principle, you have to fill this measuring beaker full up to the upper level. No extra water should be there. And then you can observe here the weight of this block in air, that is 64 gram. Now try to place it gently inside water, and what you will observe, is there any change in the reading of the spring balance? This is at 64. When I am placing it in water, is there any change in the reading of the spring balance? You observe it carefully, and is it visible to you? Is there any change? Yes, there is some change in the reading, and you have to note. And observe here one more thing. As the object is going inside, then what is happening? It is displacing some water. You can see some water is collected inside this beaker. And I will reduce this, I will release this body, and it will set at the bottom. Before that, I should check the reading. The reading is now, when it is in water, inside the water, the reading is 40. You can see here. You can see here the reading, the pointer is at 40. So note this reading. Before immersing in water, the reading was 64 gram and now it is 40 gram. Now you release this and with the help of thread you make it fall up to the bottom. How much water it will release, it will displace, you will note down that water. Now you can see some water is inside the beaker and you will measure the volume of this liquid. This water, the volume of this water should be equal to the loss in weight. The actual weight was 64. The weight in water was 40. So the difference is 14 ml. So this 14 grams, or here this liquid should have the value 14 ml. Let us see. Take another empty beaker and keep this water, put it into the empty bottle and check the volume of this water, what that was displaced by the cuboid. Now you are able to see that this is 10 and the liquid is, you can see here that the liquid is at the second division from 10, and you can see it is about 14 ml because the least count of the beaker is 2 ml and it is at the second division, so 14 ml. So you can write the water displaced by the solid when it was immersed in liquid, that is equal to the upthrust, and this is 14 ml. And the difference in weight in air minus weight in liquid was 14 gram. Hence, the Archimedes principle is verified. Okay. Now you have to repeat this experiment with the help of these apparatus. Note down this value